and roots. We show repeated multiplication using powers, which are also called exponents or indices. So if we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, it can be written as 3 with a small 5. If we have a mixture of numbers, we make sure we join the same ones together. It's a little bit like terms. So 2 times 2 would be 2 with a small 2. We'd show that multiplied by 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So that's 3 with a small 4. And we're finally multiplying that by 5 times 5 times 5. So, note here, numbers with different bases are not joined. What do I mean by base? Well, if I were to look at the number 5 with the small 3, the big 5 is known as the base number, and the 3 would be known as the power, the exponent, or the index. Special words are used when something has been raised to certain powers. So if we see something is to the power 2, we say the number has been squared. If it's to the power 3, it has been cubed. For any other number, we just say to the power of and state the number. If we were asked to evaluate some of these things, we may be asked to do so without a calculator. We know that 3 squared means 3 times 3, which we know is 9. 5 cubed means 5 times 5 times 5. We know that 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Multiplying that by 5 gives us 125. 2 to the power 3, or 2 cubed, is 2 times 2 times 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 times 2 gives us 8. 10 to the power 3 would be 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, which is 1000. 10 to the power 7 would be a 1 with 7 zeros. 3/4 squared means 3/4 multiplied by 3/4. Remembering our fraction rules, when we're multiplying fractions, we would multiply our two numerators, so 3 multiplied by 3 gives 9, and our two denominators, 4 multiplied by 4 gives 16. For some questions, we would need our calculators. These you would not be expected to do on your own. So, with the calculator, we would calculate 4 to the power 5 and have 1, 0, 2, 4. The next example, 3 to the power 7, 2, 2, 1, 8, 7. And our final example is 2 to the power 8, which is 256. Square numbers. Square numbers are the numbers that are a result of squaring something. So the first 10 square numbers would be 1 squared, 2 squared, 3 squared, and so on, until we get to 10 squared. Well, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, and 100. Cube numbers are numbers that have been cubed. So, 1 cubed, 2 cubed, 3 cubed, and so on until 10 cubed. So 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 cubed is 8. 3 cubed is 27. Let's try 4 cubed. 64. 5 cubed is 125. 6 cubed is 216. 7 cubed is 343. 8 cubed is 500. 12. 9 cubed is 729. And of course 10 cubed is 1000.